artificial intelligence could replace millions of jobs.
The robots will be able to do everything better than us.
Will AI be the end of civilization?
40% of jobs in the world will be displaced by technology.
Hold up, make them look all human.
These robots are not susceptible to intimidation.
What kind of jobs do you think GPT language models would be better than humans
We
at?
can't really compete, and that's the end of it.
Throughout history, technological breakthroughs have reshaped the way we work and interact with the world around us. From the discovery of electricity to the rise of machines in factories, these shifts have left us pondering the future of work. Today, we dive into the realm of AI, exploring 15 jobs that stand at the crossroads of automation and adaptation. As we journey through the past, present, and potential future, we'll challenge ourselves to understand how AI impact is reshaping our work landscape. Number 1. Agricultural workers.
Robots doing the work of dozens of people.
This $1.2 million machine does the work of 30 people.
Our journey begins with the Industrial Revolution, which witnessed the transformation of agrarian societies into industrial powerhouses. Farmers traded plows for machines, changing the face of agriculture. This historical shift makes us wonder, could AI bring us a new era of automation? Number 2, drivers.
Self-driving taxi service called Waymo is coming to Los Angeles.
Here we go.
Heading to Ben & Jerry's. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened.
Fully autonomous robo-taxis. Some love it.
I cannot believe this is happening.
The automobile revolutionized transportation, altering our daily lives and birthing a new era of mobility. This historical comparison prompts us to consider, can AI-driven autonomous vehicles reshape the way we move and impact associated jobs? Number 3, coders.
Every product of Microsoft will have some of the same AI capabilities.
That Andrej Karpathy, who was the guy at Tesla who did the autopilot, tweeted saying 80% of the code he writes today is being written by GitHub Copilot.
Have it fall from the sky and wrap around. Okay. Try. So again, still a lot going on in this instruction, so it may not work.
The code is sense. Oh, it's moving. It's going down.
Moving. Okay, we got some.
Today's coders drive the digital landscape. Yet, AI-generated code raises the question, could AI and machines become partners in crafting complex algorithms? For example, ChatGPT and similar tools have demonstrated the potential to generate code snippets, enhancing developers' efficiency. Number 4, journalism.
Microsoft has added new AI features to its Bing search engine, and journalists are getting a taste of its incredible and creepy capabilities.
The risk of producing a lot of fake news so nobody knows what's true anymore.
If it would eventually replace you.
Journalism has been a cornerstone of information dissemination. With AI crafting news stories, we question, can AI truly understand the nuances of human storytelling? Notably, AI algorithms have been used to generate news articles, prompting reflection on the evolving role of journalists. Number 5, legal professionals.
Called ChatGPT. It's passed and it's topped some of America's most challenging exams, such as an MBA and the bar admission exam.
And we've been applying artificial intelligence in various forms to make tools that can make it easier to do legal research, to draft briefs.
Legal work involves sifting through vast amounts of information. As AI assists in legal research, we ponder, will AI become an indispensable tool for legal professionals? For instance, AI can accelerate the process of reviewing documents and conducting legal analysis. Number 6, market research analysts.
I'm going to talk about how I've been using AI in ChatGPT to save me literally hours and hours of time that I'd spend doing.
These researchers created this paper using only AI.
Market research analysts decipher trends from data. Could AI refine their insights, leading us to question the future of data analysis? Advanced AI tools are capable of processing and interpreting large data sets, potentially augmenting analyst abilities. Number 7, teachers.
Now, Harvard is hiring a new teacher for its introductory level coding course this fall, but it's not a teacher in the sense that you would think. It's an AI chatbot.
In some classrooms for older kids, administrators have found a place for artificial intelligence. What's not known is whether this could be a substitute for old school education.
Educators shape future generations. In a world of AI-powered classrooms, we ask, will teachers be replaced or amplified by technology? AI-driven educational platforms offer personalized learning experiences, changing how educators interact with students. Number 8, accountants.
BotKeeper. Now that's a company which uses artificial intelligence to help with bookkeeping and accounting.
Trillion is an AI-powered accounting technology company.
Accountants manage finances meticulously. With AI stepping in, we question, can machines match the precision and analytical prowess of human accountants? AI-powered accounting tools can automate calculations and data analysis, impacting the field. Number 9, customer service agents.
What AI brings to the customer service era, if you would like, or the customer service domain, is a true game changer.
AI is playing a larger role in the customer service space, in particular, streamlining
Customer service agents provide human touch in a world of AI chatbots. We reflect, what role does human interaction play in customer support? AI chatbots can handle routine inquiries, reshaping customer service interactions. Number 10, Wall Street traders.
No industry is immune from the impact of AI, and now it is starting to disrupt financial planning. VCs have been pouring money into AI-driven personal finance tools.
AI has got to conquer first, and that is the field of trading/investing in the financial markets.
Wall Street traders navigate complex financial landscapes. Could artificial intelligence algorithms redefine investment strategies, prompting us to examine the role of human expertise? AI-powered algorithms are used to predict market trends and inform trading decisions. Number 11, manufacturing workers.
Put 2 robot arms here, and both arms basically emulate a human hand and human motion.
Some economists say the world is entering a second machine age. Artificial intelligence and other advancements enabling robots to do tasks that until now only human eyes, minds, and hands could handle.
Factory workers witness the integration of robots. As AI advances, we ask, can robots and AI take over production lines entirely? Manufacturing industries are adopting automation, transforming how goods are produced. Number 12, Translator.
Asusu. Bu sayede bağ kuruyoruz. Kalpana share kara.
All right, so our team developed the first speech-to-speech AI translation system that works for languages that are only spoken and not written, like Hokkien.
Translators bridge linguistic gaps. With AI language tools, we question, can technology replace the cultural nuances and empathy embedded in language translation? AI-powered translation tools aid professionals in their work. Number 13, medical diagnosticians.
Now in the healthcare industry, companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are all looking to merge healthcare with AI, starting with the summarization of doctor visits along with imaging files.
Think about a radiologist, since you brought that up, right? You don't want a person that's highly skilled, creative, problem-solving type to be stuck in a dark room looking at images all day long.
Medical diagnosticians provide crucial insights. As AI aids diagnosis, we inquire, how can AI enhance medical expertise? And where does human empathy fit in? AI tools can assist medical professionals in analyzing medical images and patient data. Number 14, data entry clerk.
Say you need to analyze this quarter's sales results. You start by asking Copilot to analyze the data and give you 3 key trends. Within seconds, you've got what you need.
Data entry clerks meticulously transferred information from paper to digital systems, a process prone to human error and time-consuming repetition. Complex algorithms can now accurately extract and analyze information from various sources, minimizing errors and increasing efficiency. The future of data entry is shifting from manual labor to intelligent automation. Last but not least, cashiers.
At 6, a food market just reopened in the South Bay, but with no cashiers. You just stroll in, you take what you want, and leave. It's all powered by artificial intelligence.
Hi, what can I make fresh for you today?
AI is here in the Valley, and it's looking to take your order.
Self-checkout systems and mobile payment solutions are becoming increasingly prevalent, reducing the need for traditional cashiers while the cashier's role may diminish. The broader question emerges: how does this transformation impact the shopping experience and the nature of customer interactions? As we traverse the landscape of AI impact on work, we're reminded that history is a guidepost to the future. Just as machines and technology have evolved before, AI Rise is a transformative force. As AI continues to evolve, the intersection of automation and adaptation beckons us to reimagine the very nature of work. Delve deeper into the realm of AI impact on the workforce by subscribing, liking, and staying connected with us for more in-depth insights and thought-provoking discussions.